Now, this is such a beautiful space. This is what I would call ultra luxury. Reason being is because not only do you have the Royal Atlantis view, you also have the skyline of the Dubai Marina. And I mean, during New Year's Eve, the firework display that you are going to receive in this home is just insane. I mean, Billionaires Row is where you want to be if you are living on the Palm and you've got millions and millions to spend. Now, the sunken seating area is integrated by the pool, finished off with a mosaic tile surround, and then you've got the water traveling around it. Absolutely gorgeous. Fireplace in the middle.